in the field baling. Get out this first cut and fill first, and put down one bale, and get ready to probably drop another one here in a second. Got some help raking. See the 784 over there. A little help raking today, so hopefully it's gonna go a little quicker today. The GoPro going here. Hopefully the footage on the GoPro is gonna be pretty good, I hope. Try to put the camera up in some different locations. I don't know how I don't know if I'm gonna get too risky or not, but I'm gonna try to stick it up in a few places and hopefully you can watch, see. Thank the Lord for number 2 bale. Always try to give God the glory for it. He's the one allowing me to do it, that's for certain. So ain't nothing I can do on my own, so gotta give God all the glory for it. So yeah, this is thick hay here, so this should be pretty good. Field of hay, so get a good many bales. I said when I finished fluffing it out yesterday, I said to myself probably, I said 15 bales, so I'm gonna see how close I get to it. I might be off, who knows? So we're gonna see how close to 15 bales I actually gonna get. So. But anyway, hopefully we're gonna get some good baling footage, maybe even a little raking footage. Hopefully it'll be a good video with the new GoPro here. Beautiful day, dear. Baling hay, I'm telling you. Beautiful day the Lord has truly gave us. Hopefully we're gonna beat out the rain. Now I wasn't calling for rain. It's been calling for rain all week till I got up this morning, and now they're calling for shower. So hopefully we're gonna get this baled up, raked up, baled up before rain comes. I want to do a little bit of square hay, I'm hoping. A little area around the barn that I had cut. I tried raking it. Super C still giving me issues with the gas. I reckon I'm gonna have to just do a full tank clean out, I'm guessing, on it. Tried raking, I got it raked. Battery, something about another battery. Bad week, halfway brand new battery. Just bought the thing back March or February. It ain't like it wanted to be dead, so I switched out the battery, cranked up. I raked one little windrow. Raked one little windrow with the Super C, and it quit. It quit on me, so I got it moved out of the way, luckily. Babied it, got it moved out of the way. So still that gas issue, so I might do something about But anyway, do what we can. I said I hope to get some square bales. I ain't gonna square bale a whole lot. I'm gonna do a little bit, just enough to put in the barn. Donkey needs some square bales, so I wanna at least do that. I got another fella that I know that needs square hay, so I was gonna try and do, I don't know, 50, 60 square bales. Put up for me and him to use. I don't know that I'm gonna advertise. My little triangular field, I do. It is almost ready to cut. I'm gonna square bale all of it, so that'll be about anywhere from, I'd say, 60 to 100 bales off of it. So need to go ahead and do a little bit. My donkey's about out of hay, so square hay. Actually, this morning, feed him, I went out to the field behind the house and got up some fresh cut hay. Put it in his little hay bag that I give him every morning. So, got some fresh hay. Anyway, let's see what we can get done. Hope we get it all done. Of course, it is Wednesday, so we got church tonight. Certainly not gonna miss church. God allowing us to do hay, give us land to farm. Certainly not gonna miss church. Baling hay or do something else. Plus, I got teaching the adult class tonight at church, doing prayer meetings. So, pastor's on a little vacation, so filling in for him. It's great. Forward to being with the adults tonight. A little change, a little bit of year. So. Former student on the 784, breaking hay for us. He's doing a good job. Ain't his first rodeo. He worked for a farm in high school, so certainly ain't his first time on the tractor, and certainly ain't the first time raking some hay. So. It's nice whenever you can get former students, you know, come over and help you out, do chores, do stuff. I'm telling you, I've got some really good former students over the years. Luckily, been blessed with some that would come over and help me in the fields in the summer or whenever else. So, most of them are like kids to me. Don't have any kids of my own, but these guys that are coming over and helping me with hay or whatever else, they just like kids to me. So, got many of them that have been to birthday parties for the kids, been to their weddings and everything else. Means a lot to you whenever kid gets married that you taught and they invite you to the wedding, or and they get ready to have a baby and they invite you to the baby shower or whatever it may be, or even to when the kids having birthdays, they keep inviting you to the birthday party. It's good relationships there, and I've made some good ones over the years. My students. I reckon that's what makes teaching really and truthfully to me, is having those relationships with the kids even after when they got out of high school. That's what makes it for me, and that's what has made teaching I guess a joy for me, you could say, is because you do have those kids that like to help, and they do become like children to you. They invite you to stuff, you invite them to stuff, and they become part of your family. So really like that, really enjoy it. So putting out another bale. I think this is gonna be number 8. So chugging right along with the bale. I said this bale's gonna do pretty good, and I think my guesstimation's probably gonna be wrong, and that'll be great and fine with me. Thank you, Lord. The tips that my local New Holland dealer gave me sure have worked out quite well. Got the RPM set about 450. That's where it's running about true second gear, and it really has helped. So appreciate them guys giving me those tips. So. Keep plugging away at it. Well, we ended up with 18.5 round bales in the big field that I had the first cut hay off of. I estimated 15, but 18.5, so that's pretty good. This is the field, second cut field behind my house. Got 11 round bales off of it. Square baling some. I think I ended up with 48 or 49 square bales in this field. Probably would have ended up more with about 52 or so, but the first bale that came out the baler was already lacking the string from the previous time that I had used the square baler last season. And then the last 2 or 3 bales broke on me. They never did tie. I had an issue with the knot. Hopefully I've fixed that issue. I will work on it. I have to finish baling here. Hopefully gotten that knotter issue fixed. I hope. So we'll see. Got some more square baling to do here in the next couple of weeks when I cut some more hay. So, but anyway, not a bad second cutting and the first cutting off of that other field. Got all that hay put up. Actually, the buyer come and pick it up. Square bales put up. So glad to have that hay. Got it all taken care of before the rain. Of course, you do see where we, in the previous video, we had finished raking. Ended
the Farmall IA 784 started overheating on us, so we raced with the IA. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. God bless you. Have a great day.